Good companies chase clients. They run ads, they send emails, they follow up, they convince, and they fail. Remarkable companies don't. They attract. Clients seek them out. Clients trust them before the first call. This isn't luck. It's a system. And in this video, I'll show you the simple process remarkable companies use to attract clients instead of, chasing them. The core belief of remarkable companies is that they don't chase clients, they attract them. And they do it by creating content that teaches, not ads that sell. Most business owners ask the wrong question. Instead of asking, how do I get more clients? Ask, what does my future client need to understand before they're ready to work with us? Then you teach that. Not once, not in an ad campaign, consistently. This only works if you're willing to play, the long game. And long means months and years, not waiting for a post to go viral. It's about building a body of work people can trust. Here's how this works. Step 1, teach in public with short form content. Your short content has one job: help the right people find you. Create short form content daily, or at least 2-3 times a week. This can be a 30 to 60 second videos, each covering one idea, one insight, or one mistake to avoid, or a short written post that explains a single concept clearly. Don't try to sell, don't try to pitch. Teach one useful thing. Short content is how your future clients discover you. Step 2, go deeper with long form content. Your long form content has one job: help the right people understand how you think. Create long content once a week or every other week, 10 to 30 minutes YouTube video, over 1,000 words article or blog post, or a 30 minutes or an hour live stream, or even a book. Long content is how your future clients get to know you. In the long form video, you can invite them for more, like, if this content is helpful, there's an assessment and a workshop linked below. Step 3, invite them into a workshop. This is where teaching turns into a meaningful change. Clarity, confidence, direction. Content builds trust. Workshops change how people see their problem and, yes, themselves. Here's what happens in the workshop. Shows how you think in a real time and they can interact with you. Helps people gain a deeper understanding of real pain points or desire. Build confidence in your approach. Allows you to present a choice to your audience. At the end of the workshop, you present your choice. That is your, services or products, not as pressure, not as a sales, as a choice. The last step is how you present these choices. Step 4, offer choices, not pressure. Pressure is what you use when you don't trust your work or, your audience. You're not convincing anyone. You're saying, if this helped, here's how we can go further. That's it. People who are ready will lean in. People who aren't ready will remember you because you didn't push. For example, when I do coaching workshop and offer 3 packages at the end of this presentation, I make sure the audience understand: 1, who is this package for? 2, what is the expected result of using this package? And 3, what type of services or products are included in the package? I'm not selling, I'm offering 3 choices. I'm not selling coaching, I'm offering the 3 choices for my clients to scale their businesses. And after I make these choices, I respect people enough to let them decide. When you go through this process, it is really important to remember that not every piece of content will work. That's okay. Together, they do something powerful. Short contents help the right people find you. Long content build trust, and workshop create this depth. Choices replace selling. Here's a practical way to go through these 4 steps. You don't need to do everything at once. You need one commitment. If you're doing this to get a quick win, stop now. This works because you're building a library of trust, not because you're chasing attention. And libraries aren't built in 30 days. For the next 30 days, decide this. Will you publish short content at least 2-3 times a week? Will you create one piece of long-form content that shows how you think? Will you host one workshop where you teach deeply and offer a clear choice? That's it. Put it on your calendar. Treat it like a client commitment because it is. One more thing, this really matters. If you need to set rewards and consequences for yourself, it will help you follow through. After 30 days, do the same. After 90 days, measure the impact, adjust and set your next 30 days goals. It takes time for people to notice you. It may take months or even longer, but if you follow this system, eventually you'll notice something shift. People will reference your content. They'll say, I've been following you. They will already trust you. You will stop chasing and start receiving. I'll be honest with you. I've had a successful career for decades. I've been creating consistently now for over a year. And this still feels like early, very, very early. That's not a failure. That's normal. That's what building trust actually looks like. You're building something most companies never do, a library of goodwill. And when clients seek you out instead of the other way around, everything in the business gets easier. That's the first mark of a remarkable company. Not how loud it is, but how much it's trusted. If you like this content, stay with me. We're building something remarkable here.